Alright, now we're going to talk about a really cool feature that VS Code has. TypeScript check npm is installed. Check if npm is installed for automatic type acquisition. And this setting works in conjunction with this one, the one below, which is TypeScript disable automatic type acquisition. And if you set this to true, it disables automatic type acquisition, and automatic type acquisition fetches types packages from npm to improve IntelliSense for external libraries. So let me show you or explain to you what that is in practice. So you need to have this setting set to true, by the way, so that VS Code can go and fetch those type packages. So because VS Code has this feature, this is a very simple project. We just have an index.js file, and we only have one package in here, in Nodes module. We just installed jQuery. Now, by installing jQuery, and because VS Code has this feature, VS Code now knows about everything about the $sign, right? Otherwise, VS Code would say, I have no idea what you are referring to, because I don't see any variables declared with that name, right? Now, because VS Code has this feature, not only does it not error, it gives you IntelliSense. So if you use $dot, you have all the functions that jQuery has in the suggestion box. And all of this is coming from these two settings, right? This functionality where VS Code tries to download the @types packages for and they are for the packages you have installed on your project, and they are available for most of the most famous packages like Vue, Angular, jQuery, and all that good stuff. So obviously I'm going to leave this one enabled because it's really cool.